Hello, this is David from Synthaholics, and today we're making the Waters of Risa. To make the Waters of Risa, you will need Blue Curaçao, Hpnotiq, and Coconut Rum. First we add some Blue Curaçao. Then we grab our spoon and the Hpnotiq. Then we grab the spoon and the coconut rum. All right, here it is, the Waters of Risa Shot. Oh, this is a delicious shot. The Blue Curaçao, the Hpnotiq, and the coconut rum just blend together beautifully. It's a really nice shot, tropical. That coconut rum really helps make it, and it's just beautiful seeing the gradient of dark blue turn to clear, like the clear waters of Risa. No wonder Worf hates it. Can't stand all that clear water. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more weekly drink videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon in the corner so you never miss a video. If you think your friends will like this video, please share it with them. It'll help me out so very much. Always feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what you thought of the drink. And let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me make in the future. Thank you again so much for watching. Live long and prosper, one and all.